Hello, this is Ola from Beezr. This is a demo video to show you how to build your first application with Beezr. Before we begin, understand that Beezr has two distinct spaces: the designer space, where you build the application, and the application space is where users will interact with it daily and enter their data. This separation ensures that the application is easy for the end user. In this example, we'll make an app that holds your customer database, and part 2 of this series will show you how to extend this app to track your sales and your products. But you can apply these steps to create whatever you want. So let's get started. To capture the information that matters for your business, start by customizing your first module. A module is a table that holds your records, such as a list of customers, and each record has different fields. Choose from a menu of rich field types to store your information. Link your modules together. For example, link a sales order to a product and another with a customer. Now that you created your fields, time to create the form. A form is a page where you gather the information for your new records. You can add validation rules and integrate them with other modules. Drag and drop fields. Add buttons to trigger a workflow, or group fields for a better layout. Publish your form for external users to collect data like a testimonial or a survey. Now your database is ready. Time to give it a user interface. Take control of how you see your information by customizing your first view. Sort records in a custom order. Hide fields to focus on key details. The last step is to create your application. An application is a container of modules that performs a specific function, like a sales tracker or bookkeeping. Give hierarchy to your modules to organize your data when you add a module group. Remember, you can reuse modules in different applications. Now let's go to the application space to see what we've created. You can just hop from the designer to the application space from the top bar. Well done! You've taken 5 key steps to build a tool that can grow with you. As you can see, you have your customer base on your left. You can add new customers and fill in the form that you created. Or you can bulk upload from a CSV file. Quick add or quick edit your customer details. Search within the list of customers you have using any parameter. Want to go more into detail? Check out our guided tour or documentation, or reach out through our in-app support. Watch the next video to see how we extended this app to track your sales and products. Thanks for watching. Bye.